Hi guys, are you looking to add less chaos into your already hectic schedule? Or do you want to add an extra dose of the organization to your modern life? If so, smart plugs are the way to go. You just gotta love this technology, it makes life smooth in many ways, opening up time for other activities during the day. By connecting to the appliances we have in our homes, offices, and businesses, smart plugs offer us total control and enable us to regulate their operations from any location. You can now say goodbye to the constant "did I switch off the lights" thoughts that often arise after you left home for work. In this video we're going to review top 3 best smart plugs currently on the market, based on price, performance and situations. After long hours on research, I made this list based on my personal opinion, so if you're interested in finding out best smart plugs currently on the market, then this video will help you find it and making your decision easier. If you want more information and updated best pricing on each products mentioned, be sure to check the links are in the description below. So be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the best choice Gosund Smart Plug. Gosund is truly committed to making our lives smarter and safer, as evidenced by the production of this innovative smart device. Get control of all your sensitive electronic appliances with this smart plug, no matter where you are and what time it is. All you need is an internet-enabled device, an internet-enabled mobile phone, Android or iOS will do, and access to the internet, preferably a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network for connectivity. With this smart plug, you can control up to 50 appliances from anywhere, though limited to one device per plug. Just ensure your preferred appliance is plugged into a smart plug, and the plug is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Luckily, no hub is required and the smart plug app gives the basic on-off control over the connected appliance. Installation, connection and operation of this smart device is fast and straightforward. You only need to plug in your smart plug to an AC outlet and download the Gosund free app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store on your iOS or Android mobile device, Android 4.4 and iOS 8, or above. Then open and follow the connection instruction as directed, to link your mobile device with the smart plug app. Additionally, the Gosund app has other exciting functions such as the schedule function, timer function, countdown function, group creation, and sharing feature. These smart functions aim to promote the automation of connected home devices. You can enjoy the luxury of using voice command to turn on or off your smart plug, and it is also compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant and IFTTT third-party control apps. Download any of these apps to your mobile device and link to the Gosund plug. Key features: remote control from anywhere, supports Google, Apple and IFTTT third-party control apps, easy setup and control. Gosund app supports up to 50 appliances, one per smart plug. Specification: brand Gosund, model WP3-4, weight 9.1 ounces. The second product on our list is the Premium Pick Lutron PBDG PKG2P Caseta Bridge Kit 2-pit electrical distribution switcher. This Wi-Fi smart plug has been adjudged one of the best intelligent plugs ever to exist, and there are many good reasons for that. First off, the Lutron plug features a straightforward setup process, and it also offers voice control with any Alexa device. Once installed, the Lutron kit enables you to adjust your home lights with the changing seasons and even with daylight savings time. There is a unique Smart Away feature that helps you control the energy usage of your home when you're out on a vacation or short trip. The Lutron smart outlets also feature a lamp dimmer that doesn't require any form of wiring. Its geofencing feature makes it possible for all users to group their home appliances according to rooms, and turn them on or off automatically, based on your location. If any lights have been left on, the system alerts the user through several notifications. Key features: hub required and included, Smart Away feature, lamp dimmer, Pico remote included. And the third product on our list is the Best Value Wemo Mini Smart Plug. Another high-performing smart plug used by countless individuals globally is the Wemo Mini Smart Plug. Much like the TP-Link device, this smart home light switch from Wemo allows you to control all appliances and lights in your home via a wireless connection, using your home Wi-Fi. With no hub or subscription needed, this plug makes use of a Wemo app where users can control all their devices, no matter their location. To manage your device using your phone or tablet, directly connect your Wemo Mini to an electrical outlet and connect any device of your choice to the smart plug. The Wemo Mini features S new form factor that enables you to gain control over numerous devices, through its modern form. This form factor from Wemo makes the stacking of mini plugs possible within the same outlet. This means you get to control different devices, whenever and wherever you choose. Besides the Wemo app, the Smart Plug Mini device from Wemo features a voice control factor that is the best smart plug for Amazon's Alexa. It also works with Nest thermostat to automatically turn off your lights as soon as you leave home. Key features: Wi-Fi enabled, works with Alexa, Google Assistant and Apple HomeKit. Compact size specification, brand Wemo model F7C063, weight 3.2 ounces. Alright guys, that is all for this video now, so make your decision which one would you like to home with you. And if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like this video, consider subscribe this channel, because we do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.